Today's schools face a challenge unique to their circumstances. By definition, they're filled with children and teens, some of whom spend almost as much time outside in the dirt, grass, and mud as they do inside. With so much foot traffic on a daily basis, aggravated by inadequate matting, floors must be carefully and thoroughly cared for to ensure long life. And this must be done in the most labor and cost-effective manner. Even when it's not visible to the naked eye, dust and dirt particles will collect on hallway floors, slowly wearing away the finish, and if not maintained correctly, eventually causing permanent damage. Traditionally, the custodian will use a dust mop to perform a daily sweep of the hallway floors, but this just skims the surface, leaving dust and debris behind. Then, the custodian usually finishes by shaking the dust mop and sweeping any visible soil into a dustpan. Not only does this throw dust and dirt into the air, degrading air quality, but as you can see, there's still plenty of dirt left on the floor. The next step usually is to wet mop the floor, but this just spreads the soils around, adding another layer of dirt to an already grimy surface. Besides the mop and bucket, many schools now have auto scrubbers. These costly machines are designed to quickly soak the surface of the floors with chemicals, scrub the soils loose with a spinning pad while vacuuming the floor clean. However, these intimidating, cumbersome machines can create as many problems as they solve. First, they often don't catch all the water and chemicals applied to the floor. For example, when the unit turns, it usually leaves what's called a teardrop or a crescent shape. And when moving in a straight line, it can leave long wet streaks. As a result, the custodian must now do what is called trail mopping to remove all the leftover liquid and to clean up the many areas, like corners and alcoves, the auto scrubber simply couldn't reach. Imagine trying to do something as simple as cleaning under a water fountain with an auto scrubber. Auto scrubbers also suffer from limited maneuverability and generally can't fit easily into even moderately tight spaces. This awkwardness can result in actual damage to the building or even to the machine itself. Perhaps the biggest issue with auto scrubbers is that their scrubbing action can dull floor finish prematurely. Auto scrubber pads, when first installed, don't significantly harm finish by themselves, but after only a few moments of use, dust and dirt become trapped in the crevices of the pad. From then on, the particulate matter begins grinding and scratching the floor finish. This harsh scrubbing action actually dulls the floor finish and triggers a costly cycle of burnishing and premature recoating. And anyone who's used a burnisher knows it can also be loud and intimidating. Moreover, the propane fuel inside a school building poses a risk of explosion as well as carbon monoxide exhaust. And from time to time, a burnisher comes across the high spot on the floor. When this happens, the burnisher essentially shaves off a thin layer of finish and spreads a cloud of dust into the air. This degrades indoor air quality further while creating additional work for the cleaning professional, including frequent recoats. Kaivak, the originator of no-touch cleaning, has developed a revolutionary new way to clean hallways that's tough on soil, gentle on finish. This breakthrough method is made possible by a new component to the no-touch cleaning line of all-purpose systems, the KaiAuto. This patent-pending wide-area squeegee enables a no-touch cleaning system to clean floors as deeply as an auto scrubber, but in a way that actually extends the life of the floor finish. Plus, it cleans areas that auto scrubbers can't. And it's fast. In studies, the KaiAuto was able to clean 1,000 square feet in 7 to 10 minutes. This compares to 18 minutes for traditional dust and wet mopping, and 8 minutes for a 20-inch auto scrubber when combined with dust mopping, although this doesn't include the additional time required for trail mopping. The process for daily hallway cleaning with the KaiAuto is simple. Just spray on and back off. This allows our finish-friendly neutral cleaning solution to penetrate and float soils for easy, gentle back removal. As you can see, KaiAuto removes the need for expensive, cumbersome machines that can bust your budget as well as your floors. And it's twice as fast as a dust mop or wet mop, and about the same speed as a 20-inch auto scrubber. By following these simple but productive steps, you can be sure that your hallways will get clean and stay clean in a way that is worker-friendly, without ruining the finish or wasting valuable cleaning time. Plus, you'll be improving indoor air quality at the same time. Once again, Kaivak has developed a way to remove soils and bacteria with safety and cost-effectiveness in mind. Whether cleaning hallways, restrooms, classrooms, lobbies, kitchens, stairwells, carpeted areas, or any other area in the building, Kaivak has the solution for your cleaning needs.